Hi, today I want to show you how to cook potato Russian style, homemade Russian style. So it's not a restaurant. I'm cooking to my family or to myself, and we are very small family. So I already put it. Oops. I need to put already oil. Let's start to put oil. And it's already hot. So I'm using this oil, Italian. All details after. So it's look already very hot, so I'll put some ventilation. I cut potato very small pieces. I also prepare onion and a little bit of carrot and a little bit of mushroom champignon. So this potato is not cooking very long. It's about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. I'm living in Canada already more than 20 years, I can say. Actually 20 years was about less than a month ago. So I can say already that I'm living in Canada more than 20 years, and sometimes I visit my friends. And actually I didn't see people cooking this type of potato. So I decided to show you how we cook potato at home. Just fry a little bit. As you see, I cut it small, tiny pieces, like this. Because it's fried much faster if it's 6 pieces. It will be very fried. Because I'm also holding camera in one hand and it's not comfortable, however. And also very loud heat. So I'm gonna change my heat to a little bit smaller one. I think it is time to put onion. I'm gonna put a little bit spices. I use this type of spices which you can buy in the store. So I'll put a little bit. Okay. I'll put my onion. Don't need to put all onion, it was one onion. You can put more. Okay, I think it's burning very fast. So we need just to put This is not good already. It's burning very fast. I also will put some mushroom and some carrots. It's time to put some salt. I will add a little bit more oil. It's okay to put oil in the middle of cooking. And it's already time to put some salt. I'm using this type of sauce. We like very much this sauce. A little bit more. Open it. Now we close with the cover, and at the same time we're gonna make small steak. So it's cooking on a very low temperature. as maybe you can see. And it's gonna cook like this about another 5 minutes. Now I will make quickly steak. Actually, I'm showing how to make food in 10-15 minutes. So also put some olive oil, and I have steak, purchased it in the store. You can open a little bit and clean once again. It all depends. Some people they like a little bit more fried, other people they like a little bit less fried. So if you cover with the cover, it makes potato much more soft. So it all depends what people like. Instead of onion, you can also put garlic, which will change taste. So I think it's time I put whatever left from the onion and just a little bit of carrots. Oh, can go here. And our steak. Just perfectly fit to this small fryer. Okay, potato, maybe one more time. You can turn a little bit around. Not burning anymore. So it's plenty of vitamins. So onion with vitamin C, carrots with vitamin A, and famous international potato. Our steak. This is pork steak. That's enough to cook about 3 to 4 minutes each side. Maybe even less. And I put onion to have a little bit more taste. I'll put some salt, plenty of spices. We don't need any more spices. However, our potato maybe need a little bit more spices. I like spices. Actually, not really spices. It's just basilic, anise, maybe some estragon for potato, thyme, just dry herbs. So what do you think? Okay, so it's almost ready, and then I'm gonna stop my video right now because potato actually I will close already. So a little bit more. These few potatoes stuck to each other, so they're staying on very small temperature. Can stay another 2 minutes and we can close, and because it's electrical stove, it will be still hot for another minute or two. Oh, this one is ready. Okay. I think steak is ready, and I believe potato is ready too. And it is our plate. Russian potato, home style, with onion, with carrots, with schnitzel and with salad. Have a good appetite.